Hi guys, welcome to EV Evolution, and this is the example of our new heater, air heater for the classic cars. It can be also used in modern cars, but depends on the connection how you want to do it in your vehicle. So this is an example of our new product and how it will look. So this is the aluminum case that comes, so very thick aluminum, as you can see, and then end product look like this. And this is the end product opened. So we have two fans. These are, in this case, 96 volt fans, and this is 96 volt heater. So both are 96 volt, and they use 12 volt for the activation. So on this connection you connect 96 volt system, and it goes to the heater and to the fans, and then 12 volt positive and negative goes to the relay, and a relay activates high voltage positive wire going to the heater and to the fans, as you can see here. In most cases we will probably have also 12 volt fans, so heater will be 96 volts and fans will be 12 volts. So when you apply 12 volts for activation of the relay, you will be also activating with the same wires the 12 volt fans, but in this case this is a 96 volt fan, so both fans are 96 volts and they activate on 96 volt system. So we have different options, 12 volt fans or 96 volt fans, depending on the need, and maybe in some cases you need 12 volt and maybe in some cases 96 volt, but usually it's the same. So PTC heater, 1 kilowatt. Fans pull the air from this side and then take it out on this side. So this is exactly how it looks, and here the hot air goes out and you can connect the pipe like this. So this is the aluminum pipe to transfer the heat and connect it and direct using the pipe. So maybe the better example will be here. So connecting the pipe and then directing somewhere where you need the hot air to go out. So this is a flexible pipe, so you can manage it however you want. As said, this is 96 volt system, so the 96 volt system will be activated all the time. Since this is 1 kilowatt heater, you would need to use 10 amp fuse and activation DC fuse. Don't forget DC fuse, 10 amp, and to control the heater in case of some issue. But very thick aluminum will prevent all issues or even fires, because plastic for heating is very dangerous and we don't recommend it using it at all. So aluminum or steel are the best options, but aluminum is even much better as it distributes the heat much better, and when the heater is working, the aluminum case is very cold, it's not even hot, even when the heater is at the full power. So this is the best option to have in your vehicle, aluminum case, because the distribution of the heat goes much better. Okay, so this is example of the heaters and the relays and how all goes in production. And this is the heater that we'll soon have in our shop for the ordering. The price will be affordable as always. All our products are the cheapest in the market, as that's the main goal, to attract more people to start using EV conversions and to be more affordable for everyone, so more people can do EV conversions as needed. If you have some questions, please contact us. We will try to explain as much as we can, and information about these products will be also on our website when it hits the sale soon. So this is already in production, and soon when we make some supplies it will go on sale. We just started working on this, making them, and then they should soon be available for sale. Don't forget, this is 96 volt system only for now, and will be probably even in higher voltages, but for now we recommend only for lower voltage like 96 volt systems. So don't use this in high voltage like 200 or 180 volt systems. And also don't forget, the main thing is fuse needs to be DC fuse if you want to be safe in case of some issues. So DC fuses must be used in all DC circuits. AC fuses are very dangerous and not able to prevent fires in DC systems, because DC systems are much more complicated to disconnect than the AC fuses because of the frequency of the current. So please keep this in mind, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel and follow us, leave comments, questions, thumbs up, smiles, or everything you want to support us in our production of the parts for EV conversions, so we can make much more new parts and new ideas to your systems, and for EV conversions to make them much faster, much more interesting, and much more simpler. Bye guys from the EV Evolution.